So your organization has a data center. This means maintenance, upgrades, repairs, multiple contracts, and to complicate things even more, every manufacturer has its own terms about how and when to repair or replace their machines. However, there is a better way, an easier, cheaper, and more sustainable way to manage your data center. It's called third-party maintenance. With TPM, Evernex can maintain and extend the life of all of your hardware from any manufacturer with a single contract and without the need to purchase new equipment. Sounds good? It is. Gartner estimates that companies can save up to 70% with TPM, so your costs go down. And your equipment lasts for much longer, so your sustainability scores go up. Not to mention, you also save hours by streamlining everything through a single point of contact. And that's TPM with Evernex. Simplicity, savings, sustainability.